YouTube channel Jnanmanjari Modern School. Today, Standard 6, Subject GE, Chapter number 2, Pronouns. In the previous video, we just completed the exercise number 8, filling the blanks with the correct personal pronouns. Move forward. Exercise number 2. Focus. B. In the following passage, 6 pronouns have been omitted. Insert a slash where you think a pronoun is missing and write the pronouns in the space provided. One has been done for you. Garima, Gulu, Shreya and Keshu are in Marrakesh, a city in Morocco. Today today are on a safari from Marrakesh. In the sentence, in this exercise, मतलब कि हमें एक्सरसाइज में क्या करना है? Insert a slash where you think a pronouns is missing. मतलब कि जहाँ पे pronouns missing है वहाँ पे हमें स्लैश करना है और जो हमारा आंसर है वो जहाँ पे हमें जगह दी गई है वहाँ पे हमें प्रोनाउंस लिखना है. Then the first sentence done for us, the answer is they. They are on a safari from Marrakesh. They are riding camels. Gulu has been on a desert safari once before, enjoyed the experience. Before then, put over here slash. Before then, the answer is he. He enjoyed the experience. Before slash. Before then slash, answer is he. Personal pronouns. The others or sing a desert for the very first time, and then time slash, and the answer is they have packed food. The answer pronouns is they. They have packed food, water, blankets and everything they will need for the night on their camels. A bird is flying above them. Above them slash, and the answer is it can fly. It can fly faster than the camels can walk. By evening, then slash, the answer is they will reach on horses. The answer is they. They pronouns is missing, then the answer is they. They will reach on horses. 6-1. Horses, then slash. The answer is they will spend the night before around a campfire. मतलब कि जहाँ पे थे हमने प्रोनाउंस जो मिसिंग है वहाँ पे हमने लिखा है, मतलब कि वो सेंटेंस जो वो कहना चाह रहे हैं वो किस में होगा? प्लूरल में होगा. किस में होगा? प्लूरल में. That's why the pronouns put over here. If the sentence is in a plural, then the pronouns is they, singular and indicate to boy, then the answer is be. Eat, not living things and animals, etc. It is in it. And then this sentences is in a plural. That's why the pronouns is they. हम इस इसको फिर से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं विद द आंसर्स। हमें इस एक्सरसाइज में क्या करना है, तो इस एक्सरसाइज में जो प्रोनाउंस मिसिंग है वहां पे हमें स्लैश करना है, और जो हमें स्पेस प्रोवाइड की गई है वहां पे हमें आंसर लिखना है। तो जो हमें पहला जो सेंटेंस है उसमें कैसे करना है वो दिखाया गया है। टुडे के बाद एक स्लैश किया गया, मतलब कि वहां पे प्रोनाउंस मिसिंग है, और जो ये सेंटेंस पूरा दिया गया है वो किसमें है, प्लूरल में। दैट्स व्हाई द प्रोनाउंस इज दे, आंसर इज दे। गरिमा, गुलू, श्रेया एंड केशा are in Marrakesh, a city in Morocco. Today they are on a safari from Marrakesh. They are riding animals, camels. Gulu has been on a desert safari once before. Because this sentence is indicate to Gulu means boy, then the answer pronouns is he. Then move forward. He enjoyed the experience. The other are seeing a desert for the very first time. Slash have packed food, water, blankets and everything they will need for the night on their camels. Means this whole sentence is indicate to plural. That's why the pronouns is they. On their camels, a bird is flying above them. Slash, because here the pronouns is missing, then put over here slash, can fly faster than the camels can walk. Means this sentence indicate to it, because this sentence indicate to bird flying above them. Means include in a third person it. It can fly faster than the camels can walk. Then by evening slash, because there is a missing pronouns, that put over here slash. Slash will reach on Oasis, means this sentence indicate to in a plural. That's why the answer is they. They will reach on SS. Then move forward. Next line, we spent the night there around a campfire. Means also this line has a missing pronoun, then put over here slash, and the answer is they, because the whole sentence is indicate to plural. That's why the answer is they. Okay student, then further moving, practice. Practice A. Practice A. Are the underlined verbs possessive adjectives? Means in short form, possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns PP. In this sentence, fill in the blanks with PA or PP, whichever is correct. In the first sentence done for us, let's discuss. The first sentence is the new rucksack is mine. Underline this word, and then where is your rucksack? Then underline this word. Here is a first word is PP, means first a possessive pronouns and then possessive adjective. Your word is a possessive adjective and mine is possessive pronouns. Then discuss the second one. Second one is Sumit. Sumit says, Shweta, where are your sunglasses? Where are your Where are your sunglasses? Sunglasses. Here, your underline this word. The answer is possessive adjective. Your is a possessive adjective. Then Shweta says. Shweta says the sunglasses you are wearing are mine. The sunglasses you are wearing are mine. Here the mine is underlined and then this mine is possessive pronouns. Here your indicate to a possessive adjective and mine indicate to possessive pronouns. Third one, the pen with the blue cap is mine. Third one, the pen with the blue cap is mine. Mine is underline this word and this is the indicate to possessive pronouns and then his pen has a green cap. His pen has a green cap. He's underline this word and then this is a possessive adjective. Write down in your book. Then moving forward for the next sentence. Okay, student, have you done this? Then moving forward. Next is the camera yours? Yours indicate to possessive pronouns and then no, this is hers, means hers is also indicate to possessive pronouns PP. Fourth sentence is the camera yours? Is the camera yours? Underline this word and then this is indicate to possessive pronouns and then no, this is hers. This is hers. Hers is also indicate to possessive pronouns PP. Then the answer is the possessive pronouns. Last one, fifth. My bed is lying over there. My bed is lying over there. My is also indicate to possessive adjective. Then I didn't know it. Was yours. yours. Yours is underlined. Then this is possessive pronouns PP. Then the next exercise B. Complete the following questions with interrogative pronouns of your choice. We know that how the interrogative pronouns used for what, who, where, when, why. Then let's discuss this exercise. Blank. Would you like to take with me? Would you like to take with you? Then ask the question, blank, would you like to take with us? What these sentences give the information. Then ask this question, would you like to take with you? Blank, would you like to take with you? Then the answer is what? Then the answer we get information for things, statements and etc. That's why the interrogative pronouns put over here. What would you like to take with you? Second one, blank, back the cake for the party. Back for the party. Then first of all, ask this question for yourself. Back the cake for the party. This sentence gives the information for person, particular person. Then ask this question with who baked the cake for the party. This sentence, this question indicate to particular person. That's why I put over here interrogative pronouns. The answer is who baked the cake for the party. Third one, blank. Are you inviting to the dinner tonight? Are you inviting to the dinner tonight? Blank, are you inviting to the dinner tonight? This sentence is who and whom. Both are indicate to subject and object. Means who indicate to subject and who indicate to object. Then the answer is whom. Whom are you inviting to the dinner tonight? Because here already given as a subject. Then we can find out the object. Then the question with whom are you inviting to the dinner tonight? Then next one, blank. Mobile is ringing. Mobile is ringing. Then second one, who and also this one whose mobile is ringing. Because these three questions, who and whose indicate to particular person, get the information for particular person. That's the answer is whose mobile is ringing. Then fifth one, blank. Can't you find the key? Find the key. The next one, can't you find the key, means this sentence gives the reason. Why can't you find the key? This sentence gets the information for the reason. That's why the answer is why can't you find the key. Okay, student. First of all, write down in your book. Then move forward. Okay, student, have you done this? Then move forward for the last exercise, extension. Extension. Extension A. Complete the following dialogues using demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. Then we know that what is demonstrative pronouns indicate to this in a singular, plural, THEAC, this, he, to indicate to near, and then that singular and that change into plural is those, indicate to point of near, this and this. Demonstrative pronouns this and this. This indicate to near, point of view near, and then that and those indicate to point of the far away. Okay, this is a demonstrative pronoun. And interrogative pronouns you know very well: what, who, when, with the WH questions. Okay, student. Then Kunal says, "Hey Kunal, how have you been? I haven't seen you in a long time." Kanika says, "I have been good. How are you?" Kunal says, "I have been so busy. Do you remember my neighbor, Mr. Sharma?" Kanika. The answer is Kanika says blank neighbor. This point of view demonstrative pronouns that neighbor means point of view that neighbor. That neighbor, the one who lives right next to your house. मतलब कि ये जो सेंटेंस है वो इंडिकेट तो कर रहा है, मतलब कि पॉइंट दिखा रहा है कि वो नाइबर जो तुम्हारे घर के बगल में रहता है. The one who lives right next to your house. Yes, blank. What happened to him? Means this sentence is an interrogative because we just know get things or statement happened to him. मतलब कि इस सेंटेंस में हम क्या इंफॉर्मेशन निकालना चाहते हैं, तो थिंग्स और स्टेटमेंट के बारे में। then we put over here interrogative sentence, interrogative pronouns. The answer is what happened to him. Kunal says he is organizing theater workshop for children. My cousin, whose photograph I showed you, he is also coming. Would you like to join us? Kanika says. Kanika says, blank is great news. Is great news. Then this is the this is great news. This is great news. I think it will help me express myself well. I am in blank. Can you join? Then this sentence get more information for get the information for a time. Then the answer is when can I join? Kunal says let's join tomorrow. Blank seems like a great opportunity. The answer is it seems like a great opportunity. Whole paragraph discuss about the answer. Kunal says, "Hey Kunal, how have you been? I haven't seen you in a long time." Kanika says, "I have been good. How are you?" Kunal says, I have been so busy. Do you remember my neighbor, Mr. Sharma?" Kanika says, point the neighbor means near in a singular. That's why put over here that neighbor, the one who lives right next to your house. Yes, blank happened to him. This sentence get information for a things or statement. Then the interrogative pronouns answer is what happened to him. Then Kunal says he is organizing theater workshops for children. My cousin, whose photograph I showed you is also coming. Would you like to join us? Blank is great news. This is great news. Blank. I think it will help me express myself well. I am in blank. Can I join? Means this sentence get information for a time. Then the answer is when can I join? Kunal says let's join tomorrow. Let's join tomorrow. Blank seems like a great opportunity. It seems like a great opportunity. Okay, student, first of all, write down in your book. Okay, student, have you done this? Then, what is your homework? Homework is write this exercise. Write the exercise. Write the exercise. Focus B practice AB, and then extension in your GE book. Okay, student. Here, chapter number 2 is complete. Then further moving for new chapter in our next video. Okay, student. We will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You.